Hi guys, so we're gonna have a white Valentine's. Get it? Because it's snowing. Yeah. So yeah, I'll be celebrating my Valentine's inside, cozy, watching Netflix and drinking something warm. And this is kind of like a mini vlog of today, or yeah, the day before Valentine's. We are celebrating Valentine's indoors. How exciting is this? This is crazy. My God, this is insane. Yes, look at the cars. It's crazy. This is exciting. Wow.
Vente, vente. Súbete tú. Vente acá conmigo. Dos.
Yay!
Snow's coming down. They're gonna ask for the snow, and it's not gonna be here no more.
Yeah.
Bravo! Away!
Ready? Go!
Yeah, but you're not all-wheel drive. Vente. Ven. Just get some snow tires.
Yay!
Should I make a snow angel now?
Do it!
Oh, I'm sorry, man.
Yay! Take a video of Nestle.
Junkies!
You can barely see.
I like how you can't hear the car leaving.
Oh yeah.
Quiet.
You got it? I know.
Leslie!
Alamat.
Throw it at you.
Damn, there's at least 5 inches. No, more.
I think
it's like a foot. Oh, yeah.
Do it!
No me avientes nieve.
No. She's gonna get sick. Make a snowman.
Are you scared Nestle? Yeah. It's okay, Mama.
So this is what it looks like. Right now it's about 6 o'clock and it's cold and dark, but I like it. I like the way it looks. It looks so cool. It's still snowing. You guys can see like right there. It's been snowing all day and all night, and this is probably about like 10 inches of snow, maybe even a foot now. So, and I'm currently walking my dog. Hopefully we can make this quick because it's so cold. Right now it's still like 20. I mean, right now it's probably like 29 degrees. That's crazy. We are in the middle of a winter storm. And it's so crazy. It's scary, but it's fun. I'm happy. You know, it's fun. I love the snow. It's so crazy. It's so much. We got like a foot in a day, or like overnight. We got a foot of snow overnight, which is crazy. And I'm currently trying to walk my dog. So we're trying to make this quick, but I am so cold. So I can go back inside and just make some hot cocoa or drink some hot tea because it is like 29 degrees and it's crazy. There's people over there playing in the snow. It's nice. Right now it's only like, it's about to be 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. And this is my neighborhood. You guys see how much snow this is? It's insane. Like, insane. You guys can see it's totally insane. Like a foot of snow. So, this is my video for February, you guys. This day has been really crazy. We did play in the snow. We were studying, and then we were just walking. We went on a walk, we had dinner, and now we're just watching a movie. We're having movie night, because, I mean, what else are we gonna do? You know, it's better to stay inside and be safe, and not drive around and just risk our lives and anybody on the road. So we're just staying in, watching a movie. This is how I will be spending Valentine's Day. Inside, cozy, watching a movie, and eating food. Because why not? My dog loves the snow. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I totally forgot to put on his coat. This is crazy. This just feels like Christmas. I swear. This really does feel like Christmas, but it's February. So cool. Very, very cool. So another thing, you guys, I saw that I hit 200 subscribers. That's crazy. Thank you so much. Like, that's just crazy to me. Like, little old me has 200 subscribers, and I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but for someone like me, that seems like a lot. I'm actually very shy in person, and it just feels crazy. So thank you so much for all your support and your love and all your comments. I see them all. Thank you so much. Oh my god, that sounds like a dog fight. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for all your support. It's crazy. 200 people. Thank you so much. Oh my god, someone's stuck. Wait, there's a car coming. Come on. Come this way. You guys are someone stuck. Oh my god. Oh dang. At least he got out. Oh yeah, he did get out. They finally!
Is everyday life really so exciting?
Say hello.
Ow! Deep sleep. Nice sleep. Apagala ito, Papa.
Be honest with yourself. At some point in our lives, we all want history.
And now for some hot cocoa after a walk. Because I am freezing my butt off. Oh, what the heck? Oh, there we go. Oops. Perfection! Now I'm ready.